Welcome to the best picks. The best Carburetor 632334A is probably one of the most essential components for your small engine equipment. Today, we're diving deep into this specific carburetor model, exploring its function, compatibility, and why it's a popular choice for maintaining the performance of your lawnmowers, snowblowers, and other outdoor power tools. We'll cover everything you need to know to keep your engine running smoothly. Number 5. Hipa 632334A Carburetor for Tecumseh Snowblower. This is a high-quality carburetor designed for various Tecumseh snowblower engines. It's a reliable replacement part that ensures your snowblower runs smoothly and efficiently. This carburetor is compatible with Tecumseh HM70, HM80, HMSK80, HMSK90, HM100, HMSK100, OHSK110, OHSK120, and OHSK125 engines. It also fits 7 HP, 8 HP, and 9 HP snow blowers. It replaces several OEM part numbers, including Tecumseh 632110, 632111, 632334, 632370, 632536, 640105, 632334A, and 632370A. It also replaces John Deere and MTD snowblower carburetors. This carburetor is compatible with John Deere, MTD, and Toro snowblowers. It is also compatible with Toro 824, 824XL, 828, and other models. The package includes the carburetor, a carb mounting gasket, a primer bulb, a tube, and a fuel filter. It comes pre-adjusted by the manufacturer, making it easy to install. What we like. This carburetor is designed to fit a wide range of Tecumseh engines, making it a versatile choice. It comes pre-adjusted, so installation is a breeze. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install carburetor for your snow blower, this is a great option. What people say. Worked great, no adjustment needed. Easy install, almost exact replacement. Once I figured that out, opened it up 2 to 3 turns, machine fired right up. Fine-tuned the jet adjustment and off and running. Solved my hunting problem. New part corrected my problem as expected. Number 4. MOTOALL Carburetor for Tecumseh Snowblower. This is a replacement carburetor for various Tecumseh snowblower models. It is designed to replace several part numbers, ensuring a proper fit and function. This carburetor is a reliable solution for your snowblower needs. The carburetor fits Tecumseh engines and snowblowers. It is also compatible with several Oregon models. This part is designed to work with a wide range of snowblower models. This carburetor is compatible with Tecumseh HM70, HM80, HMSK80, HMSK90, HM100, HMSK100, OHSK110, OHSK120, and OHSK125 engines. It ensures optimal performance for your engine. The carburetor is built to meet or exceed OEM specifications. This carburetor works with snowblower thrower TRX24, TRX26, TRX27, TRX32, TRS22, TRS24, TRS26, TRS27, TRS32, and Toro snowblower models. It is a versatile part that can be used in many different snowblowers. This will help your snowblower run smoothly. This carburetor is adjustable with high and low speed screws. This allows for fine-tuning to optimize engine performance. It is a great choice for maintaining your snowblower. What we like. This carburetor is compatible with a wide array of snowblower models, including those from Toro and MTD. It is also adjustable, allowing for fine-tuning of your engine's performance. If you are looking for a carburetor that can replace multiple models and offer adjustable performance, this is the one for you. What people say. Nice, plus with the fuel shut-off, filter, and new hose, my blower didn't have any of that. Fit perfectly on my snow blower and works well. Fuel lines, control knobs, primer pump, all fit and worked great. When reassembled it started up on the very first press of the starter. Number 3. ALL-CARB 632334A Replacement Carburetor. This is a replacement carburetor for various snow blowers. It's designed to replace several part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit. This carburetor will get your snowblower running smoothly again. Specifically, this carburetor is a replacement for Tecumseh 8 horsepower HMSK 80 and HMSK 90 engines. It's a direct replacement for part numbers like 632334A and 632334. Installing this will restore your engine's performance. This carburetor replaces a wide range of part numbers. It's compatible with Tecumseh engines and various John Deere snowblowers. This part is a reliable solution for your snowblower needs. It also fits several John Deere snowblower models. This carburetor is designed to work with models such as TRX-24, TRX-26, and many more. It's a great choice for keeping your snowblower running efficiently. This carburetor is also compatible with a variety of snowblower models. This includes models from different brands. It's a versatile solution for your snow clearing equipment. What we like. This carburetor is a direct replacement for several part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit. It is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a straightforward replacement for your snowblower, this carburetor is an excellent choice. What people say. The carb went right in, works like a champ. Easy to install. Easy install on my old Simplicity snowblower, very noticeable performance improvement. Number 2. Yooppa 632334A carburetor replacement. This carburetor is designed to replace the Tecumseh 632334A snowblower carburetor. It fits various models, including those from Tecumseh, John Deere, and Toro. Make sure to compare it with your old one. It's also compatible with Tecumseh HM70, HM80, HMSK 80, HMSK 90, and other engines. This part is a direct replacement for several snowblower models. Please check the model to ensure a perfect fit. This carburetor is a replacement for models like the 38540, 38080, and TRX series snow throwers. It ensures your snowblower runs smoothly. This will help you get through the winter. It also fits Ariens, MTD, Sears snowblowers, and more. This carburetor is a versatile solution for many snowblower brands. It is a reliable replacement part. The package includes the carburetor, mounting gasket, fuel filter, primer bulb, and fuel line. Everything you need for a quick and easy installation is included. This will get your snowblower running again. Yooppa offers a lifetime warranty for this product. You can return it if you are not satisfied. It is recommended to have this installed by a professional. What we like. This carburetor is compatible with a wide range of Tecumseh engines and snowblowers. It comes with all the necessary components for a quick and easy installation. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit that offers broad compatibility, consider this one. What people say. Working very well. Easy installation. Number 1. Tecumseh 632334A carburetor. This is a replacement carburetor for Tecumseh engines. It replaces several models, ensuring optimal performance. It's designed to keep your engine running smoothly. This carburetor is a direct replacement for multiple Tecumseh models. It's a reliable solution to restore your engine's functionality. This part is built to meet or exceed OEM specifications. Installing this carburetor is straightforward. It's designed for a perfect fit, making the replacement process simple. You can quickly get your equipment back in action. This carburetor ensures your engine runs efficiently. It provides the correct fuel mixture for peak performance. You'll notice improved engine responsiveness. This carburetor is built to last. It's made from high-quality materials for long-term reliability. It's a dependable choice for your engine needs. What we like. This carburetor is compatible with a wide range of Tecumseh engines and snowblowers. It comes with all the necessary components for a quick and easy installation. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit that offers broad compatibility and peace of mind with a lifetime warranty, consider this one. What people say. Everything fit perfectly and the old thing fired right up. Exact fit for my application on 30-year-old Sears snowblower. All bolt locations exact, no fitment issues. Works great on my Tecumseh HM80 engine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.